Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this PARGRILL grill cart. This is great as an accessory to your grill. You can place all kinds of things on here, cut some nice meats on here, lay down tools. It's got everything you really need. It also rolls around very smoothly. Right here you've got these hooks, so you can go ahead and hook on your grilling utensils, for example, such as brushes, spatulas. Here you have a holder for paper towels. Here you can put trash bags. You've also got a nice handle right here. PARGRILL logo looks super nice. You've also got a bottle opener right here. And you can even lock these wheels into place if you want to keep this thing steady. Here is the user manual, so it talks you through how to assemble this thing, but it's pretty simple to use overall. Really well built, high quality. Overall, highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.